I would like to work on fears that my memoir, around my memoir not being published.
Hmm, okay. Can you rate that fear on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most intense?
It's around an 8.
Okay. And do you feel any tension in your body?
I do. I feel tension in my chest.
Okay. So I'd like you to put your focus into that tension in your chest while I work on you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then just keep thinking about your fear of it not being published and then drop your awareness into that tension in your chest and just stay in that space.
Okay.
Okay. Suzanne, how does that feel now?
I feel, and I know I physically moved. I felt like very tight and constricted at the beginning of this, and at the end, I feel totally open. That tightness is gone. So much lighter.
Okay, good. So, can you rate your fear now?
I mean, I don't even feel it now.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a zero. I don't feel it now. I mean, I feel totally light.
Okay,
Thank you.
good. So now when you think about the possibility of your memoir not being published, what comes up now?
It doesn't feel like a possibility. But I mean of it not being published. It feels like it will be published, if that makes sense.
Good, good.
Yeah. My writer friends are gonna love this healing.